Hello friends, it happened yesterday, but in fact 100 days have gone since we have won that elusive bronze medal at Olympics at Tokyo. What a days, what a matches I had to endure, enjoy and replicate to the world. It was great moment at Tokyo, the stadium, hockey stadium. What happened after the 100 days? Yes, the whole Indian nation understood the importance of hockey, significance of hockey, its sustainability, its revival. The nation is enjoying. Every state government came forward and honored the players. Most of our players, men players and women players, have become millionaires. It's not just mere millionaires, they have become super millionaires, getting crores of rupees and many gift items in kind. And the government of India has come forward and has given Arjuna Award to the whole Indian hockey team. Indian men's hockey team. It's a great gesture. It has never been, before that never happened. It's a historic decision has been taken. Our players have been honored. 2 men players have been elevated to their status from Padam Shri to, from Arjuna Award to Khel Ratna. They will be getting Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award also. But at the same time, I recollect whatever the challenges lie ahead. Before that, how the team left Indian shores, how they performed, and what was my opinion at the stage when the things were happening. I wish to recollect all those things for you. After a grand send-off by the staff and all the well-wishers of Indian Olympic contingent, the team has reached their flight. They are informing their friends, they are informing their well-wishers, yes, we are on the flight.
कोविड-19 की महामारी।
कंग्रेचुलेशंस, आपने फर्स्ट ओलंपिक्स खेलने जा रहे हैं। आपका क्या फीलिंग होता है, कैसा सोचते हैं?
थैंक यू सर। सबसे पहले तो बहुत सभी प्लेयर्स का ड्रीम होता है ओलंपिक खेलना, और बहुत खुशी की बात है कि ओलंपिक खेलने जा रहे हैं, और यही है कि हम इस बार मेडल लेके आएंगे और अपना बेस्ट करेंगे।
The way stadium you are seeing is an excellent one, engineering marvel. What you are seeing on the reverse side, you can see now in the main stadium how the men's team and women's team, they are warming up, they are practicing for the bigger challenge ahead.
भारत की जैसे होनी चाहिए थी, और रुपिंदर पाल सिंह स्लैप शॉट डिफ्लेक्शन गोल।
फाइनली भारत का पहला गोल इस मैच में आता हुआ।
Such goals have brought the bronze medal after 41 years. The glorious days have started returning. Now what you are seeing is officially they are handed over the medals. What a great occasion for the whole of India. Let us now hear from their voices.
और थोड़ा फिर टीम में जो था वो कम हो रहा था लोगों का, तो आई फील कि जो ये मेडल से फिर से लोगों में हॉकी का क्रेज होगा, और आने वाले टाइम में और अच्छा होगा।
तो और आगे इधर से नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? ब्रॉन्ज जीत गए हम लोग ओलंपिक्स में।
आई थिंक
नेक्स्ट टारगेट क्या होगा?
टारगेट ऑफ कोर्स लाइक अभी देखा जाए नेक्स्ट ईयर एशियन गेम्स, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स एंड देन वर्ल्ड कप है। सो आई फील कि बिगेस्ट टारगेट जो भी टीम का वो वर्ल्ड कप है, और उसी में हम अच्छा करने का।
कंग्रेचुलेशंस रुपिंदर, आप डबल ओलंपियन, ओलंपिक ब्रॉन्ज मेडलिस्ट है। हेलो एवरीवन, I made a decision to visit Tokyo 2020 at whatever cost. First it was a long lockdown, then there was a doubt whether the tournament will be held or not, but it was ultimately held. I could make it. I came here to enjoy the sport of hockey, which I love most. It so happened the Indian team has done certain tremendous things that made my life fulfilling and my visit most purposeful. Women hockey team lost the first 3 matches, but obviously anybody who follows hockey knows there are world champions and Olympic champions. It had to happen. But once that happened, the team has picked up from the bottom and rose like a phoenix from the ashes, and continuously won 2 matches and get into the quarter final, where the wonderful thing has happened. Women team could beat world number 2 Australia by a single goal, and it was a great goal. It was a great tournament. This has made India sit up and look at women hockey as a sport, women hockey as a vibrant sport, women hockey that can rock at the right places. So the women went on to play the semi-final. They lost very narrowly. Then the bronze medal match, almost, they brought the entire nation into tears besides themselves. It was a very close match. They lost to Great Britain, which they normally play equally. But in the league, they lost to 4-1. But however, in the bronze medal match, it was a very close match. They could not finish off them. Good luck to them. But it's really a landmark development for the women hockey. But of course, as I do history also, everyone knows hockey in India is known for its past glory, the glory of 8 gold medals. But the present history was not that good. Almost 40 years after the Moscow Olympics, they did not win any medal. Not only that, they could not even reach the semi-finals of any Olympics. So they came here, they had a very stuttering start, but once they realized their potential, why they have lost 1-7 to a team like Australia, whom they twice met in the Asian Championship finals only recently. They understood where they are, they recouped the way they recouped, they really made a history. Ultimately, in the quarter final, they defeated Great Britain and then went on to play the bronze medal match. The bronze medal match was a thriller, and the Indian team beat Germany, which normally the case is otherwise, 5-4 to win a historic bronze medal, which is worth its gold. The players, the country, including the top political bosses, everyone is aware of the hockey's revival and how the victory has been achieved. Added to that, the whole India came to know what hockey is a sport, how thrilling it is, how entertaining it is, how powerful it is. What is hockey? Young generation have understood because India has shown in the Olympics. Olympics is a sport the whole nation watches. It is where India had to shine. Exactly, the men have shown, as well as the women, whom many thought will never even qualify for the Olympics, have made it the Olympics continuously second time. 11 players from the previous Olympic was in the present team, and it showed the experience. There was a coach, Sergio Marini. He has become a now nationally known figure because not only Prime Minister, the top senior actors, everyone is contacting him, tweeting him, congratulating him, and he has a gift of gab and he talks very nicely, he gives excellent quote. He says to me, yes, we have lost the medal, but we have won millions of hearts. How true it is. Yes, women hockey and men hockey, the hockey together have won million hearts in India by a grand show they put up in the Tokyo 2020. My trip to 2020 has become very meaningful, purposeful, personally satisfying one. I thank you everyone who helped me to come over here. Thank you so much. So the great journey to Tokyo is over. Now the players are returning to India, their own soil, with a grand reception, and everybody received them with a heart full of wishes. Let's enjoy the moment. सबको गुड इवनिंग।
और बाकी लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बना के रखे हमारे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन अजीब से आपके साथ।
Three, two, one.
Dear friends, when I came to Tokyo, my idea was to enjoy hockey and see Indian hockey improving in all respects. I am very happy to see it has happened. Indian women far exceeded the nation's expectation and won their heart. Also at the same time, the men team has won a medal. I am so happy I could able to witness both great landmark development that has happened in Indian hockey.